In this video, you'll learn how to withdraw money from Binance to your MOMO account. By following these steps, you will be able to transfer your fiat funds efficiently and securely. Begin by navigating to the Binance website and logging into your account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, locate the Wallets section, which is typically found in the top menu. Click on Wallets to access your account balance. After the page loads, check your fiat balance to ensure you have sufficient funds for the withdrawal. If you currently hold cryptocurrency, you may need to convert it to fiat currency. This can be done by selecting the Convert option, where you can exchange your crypto assets for fiat. Before proceeding, confirm that MOMO is supported in your region. This information can usually be found in the FAQs or support section of the Binance website. Next, verify your MOMO account details to ensure that the withdrawal will be directed to the correct account. It is also important to check the withdrawal limits that may apply to your account. This preparation ensures that your funds are ready for transfer without any issues. Once you have confirmed your fiat funds and MOMO account details, return to the wallet section and select the withdrawal option. This action will bring up a list of withdrawal options. Choose fiat as your withdrawal type and select MOMO as your payment method from the options provided. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw, making sure it is within the allowable limits. After entering the amount, review any associated fees and the expected processing time for the transaction to ensure you're informed before confirming. After reviewing the details, proceed by clicking the Confirm button to initiate the withdrawal. This action may require additional security verification, such as a two-factor authentication code, depending on your account settings. Once you have completed the confirmation, you will receive a notification indicating that your withdrawal request has been submitted. At this stage, you can track the status of your withdrawal through the Binance platform. After a brief waiting period, check your MOMO balance to confirm that the funds have been received. It is advisable to save the transaction reference number for your records. If the funds do not appear in your MOMO account within the expected time frame, contact Binance support for assistance. Ensure that you do not attempt duplicate withdrawals, as this may lead to complications. Following these steps will confirm the successful transfer of funds to your MO account. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.